Okay, I wanted to do a review of this Beyond Breeze fan we bought. It was missing a couple screws. My husband used a zip tie where one goes, and he found one that we had that would fit back there. It doesn't quite fit. Other than that, I'm pretty pleased. I'm going to let you hear. I have to have a fan at night to sleep. And this one, I want to let you hear low. It's pretty quiet on low. But I need the white noise, so I like it on high. But that's low, and it's already pretty loud. There's medium. And now high, which is a pretty good white noise to sleep by. And it's got a really good breeze too. So that's my review. I would give it a 4 out of 5 because of some missing screws. But other than that, I'm well pleased. And I've been hunting a fan for a while now.
Very good product. Works fine for my little area in the RV.